Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today we are here for another unboxing video. I hope this will be quite simple. This is a pen that I received from Ireland and I brought this green knife, but I think I will not need it as this will open easily. So let's see what we have inside. So we have a little bag with cartridges. We have a Gravitas Pen's card. I love to see where in the world my pens end up. Please post and tag my Insta handle below and I will repost it. Message me with any question and feedback. Your opinion really matters to me. So this is Ben Walsh that is making the Gravitas pens, and so this one, okay, this pouch is really nice. It really looks nice with that engraving there and with Gravitas pens there with the logo. I don't know if you can see it. It really looks nice. And so, very simple package, as you can see, just the bubble thing, cartridges, card, the pen pouch that I don't think it was mentioned on the web store. I will leave you a link for the web store below. And let's see the pen. So here we have a Gravitas Pocket Pen. The logo is here. It is called the olive gray. I think that's how he calls it. I don't think he calls it olive green. And it is a pocket pen that has a very simple and nice design. And it has an interesting, it ends up here like a cone and like a cone on the other end. Has the logo there and it has an interesting thing. I don't know, I think you can see it. It has a facet there, so you can put it, and I'm not sure if it will be able to prevent rolling because you can see it rolls anyway, but if you put it on that side it will not roll. If you put it on the round side it's not enough to prevent the pen to roll. But if you put it on the flat, it will not roll. So if you are intentional doing that, it will work. Of course, this a bent card on this kind of background, it's not kind of a fair comparison because I think on the burlap background it stops much more. But that's it. Now let's open it. Whoa, nice feeling. It is an aluminium pen, so it is a little bit heavy, not too much, but in a nice way. And here we have it. It posts, of course, like a pocket pen, it should posts deeply. And you have this section with this shape. It's not an hourglass shape, but it's narrower here and larger here. It has a medium, because I asked for a medium, steel Yovo nib. It's just a shame that the nibs are not marked as Gravitas. And the section has texture engraved. I don't know if you can see it. It has lines that are parallel to the threads. I'm not sure if this is visible, but if I go over with my fingernail, so what it makes is those circular lines around the section give the section an extra grip, which may be nice, at least for those people who complain about slippery pens. So this pen, because the section is so big, the barrel is really small. I think it's just a proportions thing. And then you unscrew it, and I don't think there is anything inside. Yes, and it will fit only the short cartridges because this is really short. It seems to be all very well machined. This part is very heavy. This is, I guess, steel, not aluminium, so very heavy. And it really looks nice. It takes a lot of turns to screw back, but to uncap not that much. And wow, look at this, look how finely it uncaps. It just rolls. So this is very well made. I really like pens that were well made. This pen took some time to arrive. Not always the communication was that great, but I think these pens are really awesome. Now, just for some comparisons, I have here the Gravitas, the stainless steel skull edition. You can see this one that has the skulls engraved, very nice. It is a big pen compared with this one. This is a pocket pen. This is really a large pen. And of course, this pen will remind me of another pen. I don't know if I think it's not that hard to imagine. It reminds me of a Kaweco Sport. When you look at the silhouette of this pen, it reminds me really of a Kaweco Sport, but maybe an older model because of the proportion of the barrel. This barrel is even narrower, but it is more sleek in everything. There is not this step, there is not this knurled part here, there is no logo there, just a small logo here. And the facets, if we could say, this is kind of a futuristic incarnation of the Kaweco Sport. I would say that. And even with these facets that will help the pen stay in place. So it's kind of a design evolution. I would say there is some inspiration on Kaweco Sport, not a copy at all. When you uncap and post the pen, you will see that the Kaweco Sport, okay, they are almost the same size. The Gravitas is just a little bit longer, but the Gravitas has a number 6 nib, while the Kaweco Sport has a number 5 nib, so much smaller. This is the same kind of nib that you'll find on the Sean design, as an example. And also the same size of nib that you'll find on the Kaweco Supra. I also have here a metal Kaweco Sport. This is the Ael Sport Explorer, and this one is heavier, and I think it's heavier because of that section that is made of steel instead of aluminium. So I think they are nice pens. I wonder how long the finish will last by doing this. I'm not sure. It doesn't seem to be protected inside with any plastic thing. I think it will all depend on the resistance of this material, but I think I will post it, and if it wears down, it wears down. It's the way things are. There are other colors, including a very interesting rainbow colored one. By the way, just to compare, it is a very good match with this Victorinox knife. This is the limited edition for 2017, but I think it may be better even with that winter edition that was very nice. So I'm really happy for having these. I think this is an extra, so for the extra I have to thank Gravitas for that. And this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think this Gravitas pouch will also fit, yes, the large one, so it's nice. I may need it more for the skull than for the pocket, because the pocket really will go inside a very small case and go into the pocket, and this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will ink this pen up, I will review it at some point, and I will post the review here. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you find these nice. There will be links below, and I hope to meet you here soon again on the channel. Bye.